Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Today, guys, I have exciting news, but before I go any further, please hit the like, share, and subscribe button, even that bell notification, so you can know every time a video drop. I want to give a huge shout out to AJ and a huge shout out to Veggie Farm. I will post their information down at the bottom. They really helped me out with this project. So I hope you guys enjoyed the irrigation video, and I reached out to the community for help, and the community jumped in and they hit me off with a couple of gems and jewels, and now I finally have my irrigation working. I still have a couple of more beds to continue. I still have a few more beds to push the irrigation system into, but for the most part, I have everything figured out. So let me tell you what the solution was. So the first part is this part right here, which is the pressure regulator. And then I got a thicker hose. I believe this is one half hose, or half hose. And then I took that into the quarter hose so you can see how it's connected right here into this hose. And then I just ran it across the bed, and I did the same thing. I repeated the same step there and there. All right, so now I'm going to show you guys how different the pressure is. Now I'm all the way, so that's the first, second, and now this is the third bed, and I'll show you the pressure where I have it so far. This is where I ended, so this is where the last pressure point is, where I'm showing really good pressure. So stand by, let me load it up so you can see. So as you can see, it's on, no drips, we're drip free. And look at that, guys. Look at how much pressure is being pushed out right there, right there, right here, back there. Look at this one right here. Little tomato plants growing right here, pepper plant going right here. And look at all the pressure from there. So this is what I've completed so far. I capped off the hose right there at the bottom, and then I'm going to continue with that same hose throughout these beds. And one thing that I did notice is that when I shortened these holes right here, it gave me better pressure. So that could have been another mistake. I made the hoses a little bit too long. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the update. You know the motto on the page: each one teach one. Juicing with Jay, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.